What is up, iOS devs? It's Patrick with 228.com. Today, we're going to be making buttons, and we're going to set up those buttons in the stack view inside of the camera controller. So without further ado, let's get to making some buttons. All right. As you can see, I have the whole crew here. My fabulous daughter. Fabulous. Say hi, baby. Oh. All right. All that fun in the sun right there. Here we go to the code. All right. So we got a couple of buttons that we need to add. So we're going to do let button, type UI button. We're going to go ahead and button, let button equal UI button type system. Button that image, UI image literal thing right there for dot normal. And then we're going to return button. I'm not going to put the method in yet because we're going to have to stub it out anyway. I just want to set the buttons up in the stack view and then see if I could hurry up and get QuickTime up and running. I didn't even start the timer yet. What are we doing, Tegan? Let's start our 20-minute timer. All right, here we go. So we're going to return this button. All right, that's one. Next one is
my name is
portrait button. Everybody's gonna know your name, baby, throughout this whole channel, I'm sure. Button. Button. And I know I could copy and paste a lot of this stuff right here, but you know, it's really good to get that muscle memory in and know exactly how to build a button. Now you know. We're gonna use this image literal thingy, not normal. And I have all these buttons in our assets folder. Go ahead and get image 5. All right, so double click this one. This is our pet buttons. And we're going to double click this. Our portrait button. Please stop. You're going to make me fall. This fat boy don't need to fall. Let our next button. Our next button is white balance.
You don't have a white balance.
Let's say W.
And why are you labeling it? I just don't know why.
Why am I labeling it?
Yeah.
Well, I'm labeling it because whenever we start to use it, we know what button we're talking about.
Because nobody can see it if you block it, and when you type it right there. And
everybody's watching where I type it right here, baby. That's I'm recording my my screen right now. All right, we'll go
I know what the videos are.
You already know what the video is called? What's the video called? Buttons and...
Buttons,
buttons, and more buttons.
More buttons.
Actually, it's going to be buttons and stack
coding.
Stack view. Yeah, because we're going to put this in the stack view.
Well, you should do that too.
You
should do that too.
Oh, yeah. Now, I believe I already have the handle. I already have one upper method.
And $5 by
Oh,
my
hand
daddy.
capture though. I don't have that one. So sorry for the scrolling. I had to see where I was. All right. Let's switch
My dad is
camera
already sorry for Nala.
button.
That was so loud.
They already know I have all. I'm at 100% capacity right here with the kids and the dogs and all that good stuff.
Dave.
I see you. You can get down. Thank you, ma'am.
Nala loves playing Alice's bench. My dad is recording buttons.
Button. We were making buttons. Button.
Button.
Button. All right. Just gonna quick white balance. Button camera. Oh, here. Right in my face. Now lay it down, baby. Nobody wants to talk to you except me. All right, we got all these buttons. And now we're going to put them all in a stack view. And we're actually going to add that method to our setup HUD right here method. So,
Dad, I know it's what. I know why.
Why is it called a stack view, Sweetie?
Because there's a bunch of buttons, and because there's a few buttons.
There's a few buttons, and with the stack view, what happens is, and the reason why I'm choosing a stack view is because
I don't know what is this stuff.
Well, if with one of the buttons, we're gonna do we're gonna check if portrait mode is available. Like I have an iPhone 7, and portrait mode is not available. It's only available for the iPhone X and above, or later, or whatever, XS, XR. So those phones have this portrait feature. So I want to try to do a check for portrait mode on the phone. So if I don't have portrait mode, well, we're not gonna display that. Hush. All right. So stop. All right. So here we go. Now, Tegan, come close that door, please. Real life, y'all. Real life. All right, funk. Set up buttons. All right, this is where we're gonna make. Where we're gonna make our stack view. All right. So let stack view equal UI stack view. And then we're going to use arrange subviews, that an array. All right. And the first one we're going to do is pet button. I'll tell you, I wish I had some editing equipment because these guys are driving me wild. All right. Portrait button. We're going to do the white balance button. All right, so those are the 4 buttons that we're going to put in our stack view. All right, so our stack view dot alignment equals. Oh, that's not it. And trailing bottom. Orientation is probably what I'm going to do because they're always horizontal by default. axis. Vertical. All right, so we need stack view dot distribution. Gonna be dot fill fully. All right. View anchor the stack view to the right. Stack view. Top is nil. Left is nil. Bottom is bottom anchor. Right. Bottom anchor. Right will be to dot right anchor. Top is 0. Left is 0. Padding bottom to 48 like we did with the other buttons in the photo controller. Padding right, I'm going to say that is 12. See what we got going on in the preview. Oh, 24. 24 from the bottom, 20. Gonna go with 48 and 20. All right. That's left. Oh, she's happy. Art time, right? All right. The width is going to be 50. The height will be. All right. We're going to put this in our HUD. Setup button. All right. Now, there's an option in QuickTime so you can see what I have in front of me. All right, so get that running, up and running, and let's see what's going to happen. Oh, wait. QuickTime. Movie record. Okay. This Patrick Dodd's iPhone. There we go. See my phone right there. All right. Oop. And whoa. All right. So we need to do some adjusting, I would say. So let's do 55. height too. All right, so that mashes them up pretty good. So we want these buttons, there's 4 buttons. So we want it 50 each top. So 50, 50, 50, 50. So that's 200. So that's kind of where we need to be right now. So I'm glad I did that. Let's see how that goes. Good time running. Is voila. There's our buttons, right? Like we're gonna need to give them a little bit more space. They're in the right spot. Um, Probably gonna need to double the space. So now that we have that in place, we would I want them spaced out. I guess you gotta kind of play with this stack view, make sure that you have it all where you want it. Ooh, that stretches them out really good. All right, so somewhere between 400 and maybe we need to change this up. Let's go to 300. Say fill dot equals spacing. That might be a better, right? Right. Wow, that was not the way to go. All right, so still not the way. All right, do if not, I'm gonna have to take them out. I thought this would be a better option, but I might have to. Might have to not use a stack view. So run this. Okay, we're getting there. They look kind of squished, but we're getting there. We're playing with it. We're in the ball game. But 50 does. This is what iOS development's all about. Just trying stuff and laying stuff out and making sure, all right, we're getting there, slowly but surely. And again, I might just have to just lay these buttons out. I didn't want to do that way, but because if portrait mode, um, portrait mode, keyboard right in front of me. So this is real time. So, yeah, count stack views, sizes, they fill proportionally, because it do fill proportionately. Uh, Survey says, okay, they still seem a little squished. Put this right. You can see the dark part. I don't know. That's kind of what I had in mind. Ooh, timer. All right. Well, I'll keep playing with this and try to get it straightened out. In the meantime, thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.